Hello everybody, this is not a crypto expert chiming in with another video, and in today's video I wanted to go over an article on bitcoiners.com regarding another country going with the digital currency. But before I get into the topic of discussion for today, I would like to ask that you please consider giving me a like, giving me a heart, giving me a thumbs up, a follow, a subscribe, hitting that post bell notification. I'm not going to ask you to share because it seems invasive. On my channel, I talk about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and I try to keep it entertaining with a beat in the background. So, on to the topic of discussion for today, which is the Bahamian Central Bank is to roll out a digital currency in 2020. The Bahamas joins an ever-growing list of countries to publicly announce a commitment to a state-backed digital currency. These include the Marshall Islands, Turkey, China, Lithuania, and Japan. A digital Bahamian dollar, its central bank governor believes, will help to accelerate the provision of financial services needed to support business sector recovery. In fact, Project Sand Dollar is already well advanced with its first pilot underway on the island of Exuma since December 2019. Project Sand Dollar is the first test initiative that will soon be extended to the tourist hub island of Abaco. Roll said that Abaco was initially the first choice for the pilot as the island is still recovering from the effects of Hurricane Dorian. However, it was missing the financial access issue since most of the main banks are present there. Currently, the Bahamian Central Bank is still enrolling applicants in the Exuma Pilot project. This has been hampered by the fact that it is card-based and has received 4 times the number of estimated applicants. Moreover, not all the necessary payment services providers have been integrated into the infrastructure. However, Roll affirmed that the central bank will be in a position to enroll further applicants soon by removing the requirement for a card. He went on to explain that the island's sand dollar was intended to create an infrastructure that allows the interoperability of payment services. Moreover, a digital Bahamian dollar would be exactly that, a digital representation of its currency. Roll stated, "It's not a different currency, it's the same currency. In law, it will never be different. It can't differ in value in any way or the other, so sand dollar can never be priced different from Bahamian dollars." He added that the Caribbean country was a little bit ahead of some countries. While many countries are looking into their own digital currencies, they're looking at it from different points of view. The digital Bahamian dollar should be rolled out to all islands by the second half of 2020, once issues regarding the legal framework and cybersecurity are resolved. The former executive director of the Inter-American Development Bank for Caribbean countries, Jerry Butler, said it was time for the Bahamas to catch up with the rest of the world. He stated, "It is foolish for the sheep to declare that we should all remain vegetarians if the lion is of a different impression. And right now, the lion is the rest of the world, and they are moving quite quickly towards digitizing itself, introducing digital fee access currencies, and also using blockchain technology to increase the focus efficiently and record keeping of the way that we do business. It seems that the adoption of digital currencies may happen faster in smaller countries that can be more agile in terms of regulation and adoption. And perhaps they will also provide a ladder for underdeveloped countries to catch up with the developed world." So this is the second country that I've done a video on that's creating a digital currency. It's not a cryptocurrency in what I would consider the traditional sense because it's controlled by a central entity and it's directly pegged to their paper or their fiat currency. However, I think this is going to force countries like the United States, well, specifically the United States, into going full steam ahead with blockchain adoption, a digital currency, and hopefully even more regulation for cryptocurrencies. So that way, the people in the United States will not be kind of kept out when it comes to the cryptocurrency gold rush that we're going through. Right now, I feel that the primary reason why the United States has been dragging their feet on on cryptocurrencies because they're afraid of what it could possibly do or what they could possibly do to the U.S. dollar and the stranglehold that we have as the world's reserve currency with the U.S. dollar. Well, the rest of the world is leaving us behind, and the United States doesn't like to be in control of things. So I would expect a Fed coin. There is actually an article on one of these on one of the websites that I frequent. I'm gonna do an article on it. However, this is going to help usher in blockchain technology, I feel, even quicker than legislators are really ready to allow. But they're not going to have a choice because, once again, they don't like being left in the dark or behind or not in control of things that are going on around them, especially with other countries. So, with that being said, folks, don't forget to hit that like button, that thumbs up button, that heart button, that follow button, that subscribe button, that post notification. And I hope that you're having a great morning, a great afternoon, and an even better evening.